y'all see this beautiful Fox body right here on the side of the road for sale. Well, over here at this warehouse that looks pretty damn empty. Man, if this isn't gorgeous, y'all, oh my God, it's clean. Look in the trunk. Hoping y'all can see inside. And it's an automatic. And oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at the color on it. Man. Look at those rims. Oh my God, this thing is clean. I got the sunroof. Woo. Damn, hold right there. Yeah, I'm about to fall and everything. This thing is beautiful. Yeah, it's a 1993. 16,900. New motor, transmission, suspension, brakes, AC system, magnet flow exhaust. 5.0. I don't know what's going on right here, but the window's down. I guess people are leaving the windows down in their vehicles so they don't get too hot inside. Got custom little seats in there. It's clean. They must. Y'all think about this Fox body. This thing is beautiful. Look at the color on it. This thing is beautiful. My God, that thing looks good. Would you look at that? Beautiful. Y'all, look at this. This is so cool. They got a bus.
Continue for 1 mile.
That they made out of a house. That looks so damn cool. That is awesome. Get the water over there. They kept the lip guard on. Don't look badass though. Alright, y'all, so getting my Audi. I'm gonna get my Audi towed to the shop, and I'm about to push it forward. I'm moving some vehicles around here, so stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna follow the tow truck or whatever over there to the shop. I'm gonna drop it off there, and they're gonna figure out what the heck is going on with it, and hopefully doesn't cost me an arm and a leg, and when we get it back, hopefully it'll be running. So I'll keep you guys updated on that, so stay tuned.
The jump?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was like, I don't know why it started doing that. Like a couple weeks ago, the battery just stopped. I don't know if it's a wiring, something starting to kill the thing. Crazy. Y'all, I'm about to get it towed to the shop. See?
The guy in Georgetown, right?
Yeah.
I've been trying to think of zero, and I'm like, it said you arrived. I'm like, okay, this can't be right then.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd see it as I'm coming.
Yeah.
Like screwy.
Yeah. Y'all, she's going to the shop. Shit. She's about to get towed. We got the tow truck right here. About to get towed. Then listen, it said that on the thing too. So he about to tow it. Guys, I think I see where this thing was hit. The thing was hit right there. No, because, well, you see a gap. I don't know if that's how their Audis are, always are. But this has a rebuilt tire. I don't know if I mentioned that before. Because this gap, see, there's not really a gap right there. So, there she goes. About to get on the truck. Huh? Oh yeah, I know. I just put my Ravens on there.
There you go.
Well, you're a Redskins fan?
Chicago.
Oh, God.
Where's the Dallas?
Oh, that's even worse. That's even worse. Yeah, he's about to get put on there. Just
Yeah,
I guess put it on the left. Oh, you talked to him?
No, I should be there by 5.
Oh, okay. I said, yeah, I said it should be still open. Like my grill's messed up. Maybe I should take this little piece out because it probably fall. No, actually, I guess the sun melted it back in. Nope, it's gonna come out. I was sitting there messing with this thing and then messed it up. But the front little thing, I'll just take it out. You might know. Let me take it out. I'll put it inside.
Yeah, you don't lose that.
Yeah. I'm like messing with stuff and then it broke today. Do a thumbnail, YouTube. There it goes. Leaving it. Y'all, they got other cars out here. I guess they're getting fixed. They got the BMW right there. I seen another Audi, but you know, that was on the Google Maps. It might be gone. It's got the little old school Mercedes. But leaving my, guess she's gonna go right there. I'm gonna have to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna go right there.